Ever dreamed of conquering the German stock market? Maybe you're a seasoned investor looking for a new platform, or perhaps you're just starting and curious about comdirect. Either way, opening an account is your first hurdle. But unlike some neobrokers where everything's digital and lightning fast, comdirect's process has a few twists. Intrigued? Confused? Well, fret no more. This video dives deep into everything you need to know about opening a comdirect account, including the not-so-instant timeline. The allure of comdirect. Before we dissect the process, let's chat about why comdirect might be your investment matchmaker. They boast a user-friendly platform, multiple base currencies, perfect for the globetrotter investor, and competitive fees. Plus, they cater specifically to the German market, offering valuable insights for those looking to invest locally. All right, how long does it really take? Here's the thing, buckle up because comdirect's account opening isn't a one-click wonder. It's a hybrid process that blends online and offline steps. While the initial application can be done online, verification requires some snail mail and potentially a trip to the post office. Now, the exact time frame can vary depending on processing times, but here's a general breakdown. Online application. This shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. You'll choose your account type, provide your details, and select your base currency. Easy peasy. Verification stage. This is where things get a little traditional. Comdirect will send you documents via mail that require your signature and proof of residence. Think utility bills or bank statements. Identity verification. Here's where it gets interesting. Depending on your residency, comdirect might require further identity verification. This could involve a trip to the post office for a special identification process called postident. Don't worry, it's usually quick and painless. Account activation. Once everything checks out, comdirect will activate your account and send you your debit cards and access details. This final stage can take anywhere from a few days to a whole week. So, while the online application is speedy, factor in the verification steps, and you're likely looking at a waiting period of between 3 days and several weeks. Top tips for a smooth account opening. Have your documents ready. Make sure your passport, proof of residence, and any other requested documents are scanned and easily accessible before you begin the online application. Double-check your details. Typos can delay verification, so take your time and ensure everything is accurate. Be patient. Traditional verification methods take time. Don't panic if your account isn't activated overnight. Consider contacting comdirect. If the waiting time stretches beyond a reasonable period, think several weeks past the estimated time frame. Feel free to contact comdirect's customer service to inquire about the status of your application. The takeaway. Comdirect offers a compelling platform for German investors, but don't expect instant gratification when opening an account. Be prepared for a hybrid process that involves some offline steps and a waiting period. However, with a little planning and patience, you'll be well on your way to conquering the German stock market in no time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.